SBA Publications.
Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. Myself Suni, your mentor, and today in this video we will start the topic how to write A and B. The capital letter A and the small letter A, the capital letter B and the small letter B. So let's start it. Starting with a fun activity, that is fun time. Look at the given picture and read the names aloud. Here we have to firstly look the picture, then we have to read their name aloud. So let's start it. Sky, sky, sky मतलब आकाश, आसमान. Now sun, sun माने सूरज, सूरज. Now father, father माने पिता, Papa. Now we have ship. Ship. Ship माने जहाज जो पानी में चलता है. Now we have this boy. This is cousin. Cousin. Cousin माने चचेरा या ममेरा भाई. Cousin माने चचेरा या ममेरा भाई. Now we have sister. Sister माने बहन. Sister माने बहन. Now we have sea. Sea माने समुद्र, समुद्र. After that we have swimming tube. Swimming tube is आपका ऐसा ट्यूब जो हम wear करते हैं before going to the water. So this is our swimming tube. Now sand. Sand माने रेत, रेत. Okay. So after that we have aeroplane. Aeroplane, हवाई जहाज. Aeroplane माने हवाई जहाज. Now we have parrot. Parrot माने तोता. Parrot माने तोता. Now we have tree. Tree माने पेड़. Tree माने पेड़. After that we have me. Me माने मैं. Me माने मैं. Then we have hut. Hut. Hut माने झोपड़ी. Hut माने छोटा घर, that is झोपड़ी. Now we have mother. Mother माने माता या माँ. Mother माने माता या माँ. मम्मी. Now we have cat. Cat माने बिल्ली. Cat माने बिल्ली. Then we have basket. Basket माने बाल्टी. Basket माने बाल्टी. Then we have ball. Ball means गेंद, गेंद. And after that, at last we have toy. Toy माने खिलौना. Toy माने खिलौना. So now we have the activity read and learn. So अब आपको बोल बोल कर इसे लिखना है. Read the letters and words. So firstly, what is this? This is the letter A. This is the letter A. And with letter A, we have a small letter A also. So this is our capital letter A and this is our small letter A. A says aeroplane. A says aeroplane. हवाई जहाज. And A says alligator. A says alligator. Alligator crocodile की species का एक animal है. Now we have ant. Now we have ant. Ant माने चींटी. Ant माने चींटी. Now we have letter B. B. This is the capital letter B and this is our small letter B. This is our capital letter B and this is our small letter B. B says book. B says book. Book माने किताब. Now B says boy. boy. Boy माने लड़का. Then we have B says bear. Bear. Bear माने भालू. Bear माने भालू. Now we have practice time activity. So, practice time. Here we have to do practice of writing the letter A. The capital letter A and the small letter A. So, to write capital letter A. So, how we write capital letter A? Firstly, we have to make a placing the dots, and we are making here firstly a slant line, a slanting line. After that, the another slanting line, and in between this, we have to make a sleeping line like this. Make sure you will join each and every dot very carefully and properly. See, I am doing one again for you. Firstly, we have to join the dots and make a first slanting line. After that, the another slanting line, and in between this, we have to make a sleeping line like this. So, in a similar manner, you will write here the capital letter A by tracing and joining the dots. Now we have the small letter A. So, how we will write the small letter A? Starting with the curve. Firstly, we have to make a curve. After that, we have to make a small line like this. Small standing line like this. See again, I am joining the dots and making firstly a curve. After that, I am making here one small standing line. Make sure you will make small letter A in these two pink lines only. Okay, so in a similar manner, you will write here rest of the A. Now we have letter B. So this is a capital letter B and this is a small letter b. So let's practice how to write them. To write capital letter B, we make firstly standing line like this. After that, we have to make two small curves like a tree. So starting with writing a standing line. After that, we will make two small curves like a tree in mathematics. In a similar manner, rest of the B you will make your own. Now we have the small letter B. The small letter B. So, to write small letter B, what we have to do? Firstly, we have to make a standing line like this. After that, we have to make a curve like this. See once again. Firstly, we have to make a standing line like this, a big standing line. After that, we have to make a small curve. A small curve in a lower part of that standing line. In a similar manner, firstly, we have to make a standing line. Then we have to make a curve. Then we have to make a curve. So, in a similar manner, the rest of the small b you will make yourself. By here, we have completed the concept of writing A and B. In this video, we will practice this much only. Let's meet you in the next video. Till then, keep on learning. Take care. Bye-bye.